Okay, this is a moaning video, but I'm here at Aldi Deal. Now, Aldi Deal has a trial of these Shell Recharge rapid chargers. They are Alpitronic HYC 150s, and it's really a rather good system. So we're in the centre of Deal, and Deal has got fairly good charging provision. Aldi thought it would be an idea to get Shell in to put some chargers, so they came to an agreement to get chargers, and we pop in to the site. You'll see it's wide open, and it's a nice sign saying, look, electric vehicle charging. We've got 150 kilowatt chargers, and if you have a look, they are working. Now here's the thing though, it is 9:30, it's a Sunday, and you can see, look, it says available, and it's quite happy to go in now. I'm on foot at the moment, my car's parked somewhere else, and the reason it's parked somewhere else is if I were to come in here and charge my car up, which seems to be a pretty obvious thing to do. You know, these are very, very expensive chargers. As in to buy, it's cost Shell a lot of money to put these in. So you can come here, you can spend, say, £100 on electricity. You're probably not going to spend £100, but you could. These are expensive chargers. These are 89p, look, 89p per kilowatt hour. They are the most expensive chargers that I know of in the UK. You can come here at a not unreasonable time in the evening. In fact, you come here at 4:01, and you will get a fine for charging here. If you don't believe me, you can have a look at the Zap app reviews of this place. Look, it closes Sunday at 4 o'clock. You will get a fine. If you come here, you will get a £70 fine for charging here. If you try and appeal it, they'll say you didn't register your car. Now, in Aldi, there are terminals for registering your car to get parking, and for you to use those terminals, technically you have to have bought something from Aldi. Now, this does make sense. I completely agree with these chargers being here, because in the time it takes you to do your weekly shop, which might be about half an hour, 45 minutes, you're almost certainly on these rapid chargers, and they are genuinely rapid, reliable chargers. You will almost certainly get a full or nearly full charge. I think it's a very good thing. If you live somewhere and you can't charge at home, you can come, you can do your weekly shop and charge your car. However, if you're visiting this town on holiday and you need to charge, and you come here on a Sunday or past 10 o'clock Monday to Saturday, you will get a £70 fine. Quite clear, look, customers only. Aldi customers must register at the terminal in store. There is no provision for charging here. You could have something on here to warn you about this, or to maybe, you know, put in your registration details to register for charging, for parking rather. There is no way to get your parking without going into Aldi. How ridiculous a situation is this? There is no communication between Shell, Parking Eye Limited and Aldi. So, and it's been like this for getting on for 2 years now. It's about 2 years ago these chargers went in. They're very popular chargers. I always see cars charging here all the time, and a lot of people have had fines. Something needs to happen. Either these chargers need to go off as soon as the store closes, or there needs to be a way of registering for parking on them, or Parking Eye need to start waiving fines for people who have charging receipts for Shell. None of which is happening at the moment. What a farce. I'm very pro-EV, but stuff like this is just stupid and ridiculous. So sort it out, Shell, or Aldi, or Parking Eye, or ideally, all three of you could come together. It's only been 2 years. This is the first site in the country to get installed. Sort it out. I presume the problem is this is a big British oil company, British-Dutch oil company. This is a very large German retailer. And this is a company that is clearly only interested in earning money from tickets. Nobody's talking to each other. People are getting penalised. They're getting penalised with extremely expensive charging, which you can get 10p off per unit, it says, if you use your card. That's good. But yeah, very expensive charging, but very good quality charging. But yep, £70 fine. So you literally, even if any time you have to go in, and technically you have to go in, you have to buy something, even if it's a packet of chewing gum, to use these chargers. Sort it out.